one pa wonta anya sa se obeba studio na bebu so bi kwahia sa akọ back the say game na awura mu pa.
O dey enye game no.
Okay.
Asana na fifika na emwa.
Okay.
Because even for the player no you involved no. Agi to so of our Kunde.
Yeah.
And for an analyst to say perspective on foul. There's no perspective to it. Referee.
But a foul, dear foul.
Simple. There is no analysis to it. Like no. Even the player no. I give to me so
okay.
And yeah, like there's no analysis to it. Facts are secret. Oh, Tiana nas referee. Simple. And it's a shock not to try and what do you explain? Otiano asa.
Basketball and the Majatum.
When they?
Okay.
I think in the first half, Lamiyama Panatino said no affected the game. Girona and Michel, it's a very, very stubborn team. Especially who's a Catalan derby. And you know, a derby game. And Shebebi Omodano. And another derby game, Girona and Shah, which you can open Komoko relegation. Until there was something at stake for them too. And there were a lot of chances, especially in the first 30 minutes, Barca should have scored 2-0. And until as a flex say, forget about referee, no.
Moment.
Take your own referee into the game, win the game. Second first half we show 2. Girona and Canoa and what Brent I say the BBN were referee by a affect game, no. So that was it. My mass studio because of no. I was really shocked. Say, are they clear? They just have to say clear. Yanji. Now we are back to the Champions League. Mama, what can you do? First of all, and then you're China. Rich playoffs, first legs, they are very, very complicated games. Because the mentality of all the teams involved in the playoff, and they say, almost 2 ties, 2-legged affair, and after maybe 2 legs in a year, no, also qualify. And to reach, even Omo home first, and him said there's a second leg. They know, and this is European football, Rich. They don't believe away games. Bibi strong could be no. They will get a fair playing grounds to even play away. And the game, you know, for instance, Dortmund Atlanta. Near first half pay. That is the mentality of the team. But first half. You hear second half for Begamo. Rich gives me a difficult to predict. A complicated game. And this African footballer, they are all free home away so I compare results be a maybe in Europe it's not like that. And a one game, just that it is being played at 2 venues. Let me start from the Dortmund Atlanta. Atlanta any history can see in the Champions League. A free flowing they are one of the nicest teams to watch. Say open Italian Serie A and Italian teams now. But Rich, see you do baby say in the Champions League knockout. I am a pedigree county and that is my only reason why I am expecting goals in that game, but I am tilted to Dortmund. So me I qualify from this tie. And it will start from the game now. On my boy name was signal you do now. Until at best a Dortmund double chance and the game over 1.5. Atlanta any pedigree cry when it gets to the Champions League. Now, say Oko France. Paris Saint-Germain Kings were whole. And the last season in starting this new format. Omo qualified to the playoff no. in their playoff match, you know, they met Brest. Rich almost show me what.
I mean, so okay, firstly, in the secondly, I'm saying 9.
Yes, almost show me pa. But Rich, this PSG team, and to say PSG of last season, almost form no a swati pa. Almost no a swati pa. Last time I watched them in. I've forgotten my opponent. You know. This Idwe out of sorts. Vicha Graskeria out of sorts. Even Dembele cry, man, ye. I think the only player who shot Paris Saint-Germain, Rich, you still see him as same from last season, Vitinha. Omo Makani have lost a little bit of the way I know Musi elbow is penational. They don't do it anymore. Now, ahead of this Monaco game, Marquinhos are back. He comes to join the 4-back Paris Saint-Germain somewhere with Hakimi and Nuno Mendes. But me jidi say on Rich adia bako ama Paris Saint-Germain akwa from kakra the inconsistencies of Fabian Ruiz o team ni mu a Rich enfifi bo ni na ono cool engine ma power. He brings the best out of Vitinha and his own Neves. You remember the Euros? Yeah, the kind consistently say the Spanish team that you see the elbow flamboyant, you know. What do do or bon number 6 year, but the obo 8, you know. Or my team no cool down. Whenever he's not in this Paris Saint-Germain team, Rich, I say, Ome Kakado. They need someone to say, look, yen chain, yanko. Uncontrol the tempo, even on more dominance. You know. Without him, they don't have it. And see, they become too direct. And when they become too direct, almost free no 2 and 3 and also more cosa. And see, whenever you get a turnover against Paris Saint-Germain, na asemu yes. Now, l'équipement and RMC, then les Parisiens say there is a problem with Dembele. And no more training na kukra. He had to stop. And I'll say, oh, problem be 1-9 him. Into a 50-50. That is why you see this lineup, but you go again and this lineup, he's not in. And Gonzalo Ramos, Ebishim as number 9. So depending on the fitness of Dembele and whether he will play or not. Rich, a tricky game. And Omo boy at the principality. I think, say, for me, on one of my betting codes, I went for Monaco double chance in the first half. Rich, Mijidi said, Paris Saint-Germain ever win a game where they win it in the second half.
Okay.
In the first half, they will try and test their form and see whether they are back or not. And Monaco knew what it takes to beat Paris Saint-Germain straight away, unless they also size themselves. It's a very, very tricky game. So, now I am very, very careful. Only the amount of game never cost what taking on. Rich, the venue, no. Galatasaray, no, Rich, who do take your own? It's like a religion. And they invest so much in their team for these kind of games. Yeah, boy, in a Champions League, a knockout, a team with history, say you've been abba. They live for those moments. And then I am looking at the atmosphere now. But do they have what it takes to beat Juventus? That is a big question. They have Osimhen. They have Yilmaz, Sane on the flanks. And they have Akun, Osimhen Echi. Very formidable. Ike Gundogan a lot of experience with the ball. But the problem, and they say, without the ball, Oni ahoɔden sisi.
Is it when
yes, Sarah around him, the tenacity when you're doing, but only the composure and the experience to read games year pa. That is where the Juventus team comes in. Rich, a game of equal strength, mommy. Especially when the game is being played, Omahuadene seems to be equal at the mommy. I will go for an over 1.5 in the Galatasaray Juventus game, no, especially with Spalletti, since Oba Juve, no, he seems to have done a very, very good job on the confidence of this Juventus team. But Minyan J. Kelly ni Bremer, MD, sir. That is why I think they will concede. And Galatasaray saw problems back, and Juve is likely to also score against them. So an over 1.5 game, was a game, you know. Then the last one, the Jose Mourinho match. Rich, unse de bia meka che say. Ade ba kwa who football mu is to meet someone you've just beaten. Enye kra. Enti se ewo Benfica for team say oh, ye share Real Madrid 4-2 nje. Enti omo ba ye say be show omo bi omo a. They are deceiving themselves. Number 2. Rich, in that game, what was at stake? A different ball game altogether. Benfica needed to win the game and have a certain goal margin to even be able to play the playoff. Real Madrid in their heads thought say, oh, you draw cry automatically qualify and a backfire. And the dynamics are different. Very, 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 very different. I've seen what Jose Mourinho is trying to do. I'm so catching the boys so Real Madrid my coach da. Omo di tournament wey omo tournament. But enchese wuntimi mbo. E me na me coach ji hudi and we beating them. Nya sa akoko duro no. But ebeye adwuma is the problem. Rich, the Portuguese teams they do the knockout stages of the Champions League omo nya de o. When was the last time you heard Sporting Club de Portugal, FC Porto, and as a Benfica doing wonders being a Champions League? They can play flamboyant, but shake goals or no ball. But at the end of the day, obey you know. Real Madrid obey you know. Obey you Benfica for them. Okay. And it is good that Real Madrid have started getting some of their players back. They say Kylian Mbappé, Semino, Vinicius are back. And Chebia Jude Bellingham, Trent Alexander-Arnold is back. And a good platform, Emma Real Madrid. Unim. Real Madrid be Benfica. But Real Madrid will not go seeking to go and even kill the tie of Portugal. They know with a respectable scoreline at the Bernabeu, Benfica will not survive. And that is when Omobe Yomuti expect a Real Madrid team that will manage the game and take it back to Spain. That is the team that I am expecting. And another over 1.5 in that game for me. Let me put it into quotes. Na yentimi enko yenimwe quick one. I think the quotes in here only 2 pempo. One rollover code, then the other one a combination of any games in Sweden. So let me starting with the rollover code no. O come socials no so a onsa ebetimi aka ntimi rollover code no BW 3D 1D 8C27 BW 3D 1D 8C27 and I think a combination of 7 odds for any games, you know. And so a BW 3D 1D FC05 BW 3D 1D FC05 for any game no roll over near BW 3D 1D 8C27 oko me X accounts Ousu Bempa Ayala on Sabetimi aka o call me Facebook Bismarck Ousu Bempa Ayala on Sabeka ko Ayala Sports on Sabeka o join WhatsApp channel now on Sabeka o join Telegram so on sa ebetimi aka ntiene yemfa share games no very very complicated games Rich. Very 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 complicated games.
Very true.
When you be a or share no memu to give you predictions na o Russia Rich betimi yet. Okay,